Hello, class. Welcome to Total Fitness and Wellness. Um, Next week, hopefully, we meet face to face, which we should, um, and we'll be able to use the facilities Stephen has to offer, which they are very nice. So, first, where is the classroom? It is in the fitness center in the back. There is a team meeting room. You'll see the double doors, they'll be open if you're on time, closed if you're not on time. So that being said, Total Fitness and Wellness. Today it's going to be a brief introduction. I'll show a video on in reference to some exercises just to get you started. You won't need any equipment. And let me stay logged in here. And some benefits, as I said, about exercise video. And of course, you're going to watch this. There'll be a few questions at the end, and basically what the questions at the end of this video and second week will encompass would be the information you gained from watching, as well as would be a form of attendance. Obviously, when we have it face to face, you'll sign in when you come in the classroom, and we'll go from there. Fitness and wellness outside of not having a facility to work, it's possible. I mean, you can do it. So, and that's why today we're going to talk about 8 components of wellness. And these 8 components encompass the whole person. So the first one, pretty simple, we talk about is physical wellness, keeping your body healthy. So we're going to work through that unit. We'll talk about it. It's not just about, physical activity, heart rate, metabolism, what you eat, diet, the physical aspect of wellness. The next one would be emotional wellness, how you feel about yourself, how you feel about others. Basically, when you think of emotional wellness, how do you handle day-to-day stress? These are factors. We talk about high blood pressure. We talk about heart disease. We talk about diabetic and a number of things that can fit in here that we will look at as a component to wellness. The third component is intellectual. Keeping your mind active, lifelong learning, and also lifelong learning activities. We're not always going to be able to go into the fitness center and run on the treadmill forever or get on the bench press or incline and squat racks and those type of things. But there are activities that we can maintain throughout our lifetime and benefit the intellectual, and this really ties in with the emotional, the physical, spiritual, all of these. So number 4 is spiritual wellness. Basically having a sense of meaning and purpose. And we'll talk about that. There's a couple different aspects to look at the spiritual part of wellness, which as we read about it and talk about it through the book, we'll cover that information as it comes. The 5th component, and not in any specific order here, but I'm just using the numbers, is the social wellness. Interpersonal relationships, how you feel about yourself, then relating that into having good communication skills with other people. It's something that you need to, sometimes we all need to work on. Keep our mouth closed, listen. That's why we have 2 ears and 1 mouth. It's a lot easier to listen. Sometimes it's tough to stomach, but it's better to use it 2 to 1. Listen twice as much as you talk. The environmental wellness, it's not just the environmental around us, how we influence the environment too. That's a big factor. We talk about pollution, we talk about, pollution, obviously, air pollution, those things, but also we'll look at things as smoking and other contributors, factors that play with the environment that we may be residing in. Occupational wellness, when we talk about this through the unit, your job, your career, you have a great opportunity at Thaddeus Stevens. Your career path, Can be very satisfying. It can be personally fulfilling. So that's the one thing, again, we'll look at with that occupational. And tying in with occupational is number 8, the last one, and is financial wellness. Um, we talk about financial. Everybody wants to make a lot of money. Sometimes it's not how much you make; it's how much you spend. Um, Managing money responsibly, how to knowing our income, what to save, using a budget possibly, those type of things. So those are the 8 components of wellness that we're going to kind of encompass through this entire unit. Um, we're going to look at physical wellness today a little bit. I do have a video for you to watch to talk about physical wellness, and 2 exercise videos to follow. Next week we meet in class. It'll be a lot easier. Don't forget today, though, also you're going to have a few questions to answer, and that is partially because of attendance, so I can maintain attendance, which is a critical part of this course. Hopefully you gain information throughout that you can maintain this overall these overall components that encompass our bodies. And as when I say, we think physically sometimes, but we've got to look at those other areas as well. So signing off, watch the videos and finish the quiz. I wish you the best. Look forward to seeing everybody next week on Wednesday. Take care. Signing out. I believe I'm going to be signing out.